Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. Today I have a Boxycharm box, and this is my Boxyluxe for March 2022. Just literally slit the tape. So excited for this box, and yes, we can see it's Luxe for sure. Boxyluxe is a quarterly or seasonal box. It is now $59.99. You get 8 beauty products with a value of over $275, and we do get to customize 2 of the items in our box. So here it just says spring on the card. You do get a card with a list of products, a brief description, and a price. And I don't know, pardon the nails. I had 2 nails pop off yesterday. Right here is my Luxe box number, and I will post that in my description box. So let's just get started. We have, ooh, what's this? We have some paper here. I can give you like a little quick sneak peek here before we start. There's a little sneak peek. Gonna try to. The first thing I see is Natasha Denona, the Cupid palette. I didn't know we were getting this in the box. Did you guys know that? Ooh, look at that. Let's open this up. Wow. That is beautiful. Ooh, that is right up my alley. Like that first shade. So what is the first shade? Ooh, cannot read. Cannot even read that. But that's more like a berry, like a deep. And then neutrals. Wow, that is pretty. Did you guys know we were getting a Natasha Denona? I did not. Okay. I love that. I don't have that one, so it must be new. Boxy exclusive. The Cupid eyeshadow palette. Mattes and 2 dazzling metallics. You know, we know her products are good. $48. Happy to have that. The next item on my card, and I know I chose this because I have used this in the past and I like it. And this is Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. $72. It says clean, vegan, 2.5% bioretinol plus retinol serum with breakthrough scientific technology encapsulating, a lot of words there, the vitamin in evening primrose to assure stability and to avoid toxic chemicals. Skin rescuing technologies to help your skin look and acting youthful while you sleep. The serum glides on smoothly and leaves skin feeling hydrated. $72. I do agree with that. I do like their products. And this is what the packaging looks like right here. Juice Beauty. And it does have, you know, the little pump. And I'm not wasting an ounce of that. I have tried many of their products and do enjoy them. Let's just grab next. I think I did choose this also. And this is a big box from Glow Recipe. This is Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. $32. Is it taped? Yes. Not a bad box so far. Let's untape you and see. So this is what I see when I open the box right there. What does that say? Hey, Glow Gang, melt makeup and smooth skin with a refreshing papaya sorbet. Ooh, nice. We get the little scooper, which I appreciate. And let's take this out. Beautiful packaging. Look at the inside of the box. Like they continued it. And this is what the packaging looks like. They have some awesome, awesome products for sure. That's a big pot. Let's see if we can get a... It does have a clear top on it. So it is truly a balm. I do like that. Has a little plastic cover. Leave those on when you see them. I wish like the top was magnetized or fit. Like somehow stayed with that, but it doesn't matter. I, you know, add them. I have a whole section in my bathroom where I have quite a few of these, and I do use them because I don't ever, I don't care. I don't put my fingers in a pot. Clean hands are not. They're not as clean as you think they are. So I like this. And I always use a scooper for any moisturizers, anything. Let's see. This balm to milky oil harnesses naturally enzymatic, actively smoothing papaya to satisfy and gently resurface skin, creating the ultimate baby soft canvas for skincare and makeup. Well, that's what I want. It exfoliates the calming mix of papaya seed oil, papaya enzymes, papaya extract, and antioxidant-packed blueberry. Leave skin clean, bouncy, and glowing. $32. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. What do I see next? From Complex Culture. Come on, stop crossing. Ipsy and Boxycharm. Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist. Right here. Where are you on my card? $32. Let's see what you look like. Okay. It's like a grayish type of bottle. Let's see. The mist. Prime it a few times. Okay. Just a clean, fresh scent. Okay, let's read about that. I've never seen that from them. $32. Moisturize, set, and protect all in one step with this multitasking blue light defense mist, a botanical powerhouse clinically proven to protect skin from the harmful effects of HEV blue light rays, like the ones that speed up signs of aging, which we know. This is vegan, cruelty-free, and infused with a mood-boosting scent to soothe your screen time. You can spray anytime you need a break. Huh. Okay. That's not horrible. What's next here? Give them Lala. What do we have here? Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. This is a new launch. Right here, $30. And let's open this up and see. The box is a little smushed, but that's okay. Let's see what these look like inside. I'm never opposed to getting face masks, but like they did here, we got the whole, I'm sorry, I don't need to take it all off. I just need to open the box and see. Like they give us the whole box. And there are, how many did they say? Aloe infused. I don't know how many are in the box. Does that say 4? Yeah, 4 masks, which is fine. This is what they look like. Same as the box right here. Good for 12 months. Soothing sheet mask. They come. Okay, I'll give them a try. I didn't know she was doing like skincare type things. I thought she just was doing more makeup, but it seems like everybody gets into the skincare after they launch makeup. $30. Soothe and soften your skin in a flash with the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks. Infused with naturally calming ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. This sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just one use. I doubt that, but we'll give it a shot. What is this? A big pot. And this is from Frank Body, and this is a Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator, $19.95. Okay, something wonderfully priced. Feeling flat? Perky will perk you up. It's a sculpting moisturizer for smooth and hydrated skin, packed with caffeine to firm your favorite asset. Acai to give you a boost, shea butter to hydrate, and longan seed extract to sculpt your body. Also comes in a reusable coffee cup to rinse when you're done for coffee on the run. I don't know if I would do that. I mean, you could, but I don't know if I would do that. Oh, that's really cute. But first, coffee. It says, but first coffee, and this is Frank Body. It is adorable, and it does have the little tab where you would drink from. Let's see if I can get this top off. How does it come off? Screw. Yep, screws off. Let's see what you look like. Ooh. You can see I have a huge hole down there. Oh, this really smells nice. Ooh, I'm not unhappy with that. I mean, I think I would have to, like, if this is dishwasher safe, I would have to run that through quite a few cycles of the dishwasher. Where does this come from? New York City. It looks like there's lots of good things in here. How to use massage and circular motions all over your body daily. Okay, I'll try that. I think the container's cool. I doubt that I will use that for coffee, but the container is unique and I love that. What do I still have in here? I have from Ren Clean Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. I need that right now. My eyes are so dark just from lack of sleep and all that other stuff. Ooh, that's tiny. Where's the front? Right there. Little tiny thing here. $49. This eye cream combines 95% natural origin ingredients to visibly reduce dark circles after just 7 days. With an irritation-free formula suitable for all eyes and bioactives to brighten, hydrate, and plump the look of your entire eye area. Formulated with elderberry flower extract and glycogen. And that's all it says. Okay. It looks like you get a good amount, so I'm not angry at that. We have one. Oh, yeah, we have one more. What do I see here from Lawless? And this is Lola's Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. $25. New brand to Boxy. Let's get you open. Is this... here it says Rosy Outlook. I don't know if that's going to focus. Let's see. Oh, that's cute. Nice bottle. Generally, I'm not a fan of lip plumping, but oh, I can't even open it. To break the seal, I can't even open it. Like I cannot. Does it just pull off? There's no seal on it. Let's try this hand sometimes. No, that is on there so tight. I'll have to have somebody else break the seal. Can't even open it to see what it looks like. It probably is a doe foot. You can kind of see the doe foot inside there. So this is Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Correcting. Okay, I'll try that. What did I say that was? Where are you? $25. Let me get my phone. Of course, it's not right next to me. I don't know why not. And I'll be right back and we'll do value. All right, grab my phone. So let's do value. We have $48 for Natasha Denona, $72 for Juice Beauty. Glow Recipe is $32. The Lip Plumper is $25. I don't know if I said that. I'm so sorry. The Ren Skincare Eye Cream is $49. Give Them Lala Sheet Mask, so $30. Frank Body is $19.95. Best well-priced item in the box. And then Complex Culture is $32. So I have a box value of $307.95. Not bad for $60 at all. So I'm happy with that. I love everything in my box. I could probably do without this for sure. And would have rather had something else. I really wish Boxycharm and Ipsy would keep, I know it's Ipsy owns both. I really wish you guys would keep the companies separate. Boxycharm is one set of boxes and Ipsy is one set of boxes and bags. Don't cross. You know, like the Boxy Mega Drop had refreshments in it from Ipsy, and I see stuff from Ipsy that don't, like, I just don't find it necessary. I think you have enough products that you can keep your companies separate. So this is my Spring Boxyluxe for 2022. Tell me what you thought of this box. I thought it was good. I generally am not disappointed. Like, I like stuff like this and think it's, you know, interesting and cool. This right here was obviously a choice. Love that. This, very expensive, and I know it is. That's why I did choose it. I could also do without these, the masks, just because I get so many masks. And this I could have done without, but I'm happy to have them. The Lip Plumper and then the Dark Circle, but the Natasha Denona was the big surprise for me. I had no clue that that was coming in this box. I don't know if you guys did. I don't watch spoilers ahead of time so that I do know, like I already know 2 of the products. So that was definitely a big surprise for me. So, or did I choose that? Because usually the first 2 things are what you choose. I don't think I chose that. You know what? Let's look. Maybe I did choose it and I did know. Oh my, I have no clue. I don't think I did though. I know I chose the Glow Recipe Papaya, but I thought I chose, yeah, I did not choose that. I chose the Juice Beauty and the Papaya Extract. I did not even know that that was an option because I have a screenshot. So that is surprising. It's a Boxy exclusive as usual. Lawless is brand new to Boxy, and then the new launches give them Lala. So let me know what you thought of this box. Like I said, I'm always happy to get my Boxycharms, and I got this nice and quick, so I'm happy. I don't live far from their distribution center in New Jersey, so I get my boxes pretty quick, generally. Thanks all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.